In this video, we will see the submittal creation, response, and approval workflow. To create a submittal, navigate to the submittal module within a project from the switch module on the left side of your screen. Click on Submittals. Once you land on the submittal module, you can find the Create button. Click on Create from the top right corner or from the center of the screen. So here we need to select the submittal type. We have three options here: pre-construction submittals, construction submittals, closeout, and maintenance. Let's choose one. In this case, let's choose construction submittals and choose the division for which you wish to create this submittal for. Let's select metals in this case, and we can choose a subtask or a subdivision if there is any. Let's leave it without choosing and assign the submittal to the owner. We could choose any role from the drop-down to assign to the submittal. In this case, I'll be assigning it to the owner. Ideally, it will be the owner or the engineer who will be approving the submittals. Then we need to choose the due date by when we want the submittal to be approved. Select 2 days from today. Then we choose the purpose of the submittal. We have options like approval, information, comment, users required, and other. Let's choose approval in this case and add subject, let's say, regarding approval of steel bar sample. For the demo, let me copy-paste the same thing in the description, and we can decide whether we wish to keep it public or private. If we choose public, then everyone in the project gets access to this submittal. If we choose private, only the members we choose can access the submittal. In this case, let's choose private and select the users that we wish can get access to the submittal and click on Save.